Hey y'all, welcome to Catching Fish, Not Feelings. Today we are on our way to Santa Ana River Lakes to do some catfishing. This is a very hard lake to fish at, I am told, so of course I want to go there for my first time fishing. Santa Ana River Lakes is a paid lake that does not require a fishing license to fish. They stock bass, bluegill, trout, catfish, and tilapia. Let's get it started. Here I am just trying to remember all my training from YouTube University. I thought I knew what I was doing. I had the fishing pole ready. I'm ready to throw out my first cast. I swing it back like I know what I'm doing. And I don't. The confusing part for me was trying to remember all the steps. Open the cast, hold the line, pull back, release when you throw. It was just a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. But I was still trying. And lo and behold, a fellow angler seen me in distress and immediately came over to assist us.
So hold this in. This is opening the deal, right? I do that before?
Yes. Okay. And when you hear, let go of the.
When I what?
When you hear,
Okay.
The string goes.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh wow. Wow.
There you go.
Woo!
But now you let it go here, so now it's just gonna go over. So you gotta hold it until you're ready, and then like you're throwing it hard. Go further. Yeah.
Now, I didn't know this at the time, but this is actually the norm for the fishing community, for the more experienced anglers to be willing to assist and provide guidance for us newbies out there. And I just want to shout you guys out because I think that is just awesome. Very awesome. And we were just fortunate on our first day fishing to come across this angler who helped us so much. Right here, my son-in-law hooked into a big catfish, but he's reeling it in, but we had no idea at the time that the line was all twisted up. So while he thought he was reeling it in, it wasn't reeling the line in, and the fish was hooked, and we can see the fish, but we couldn't bring the fish in.
Yep. He was like, y'all bitches ain't gonna get me. Roll a little. Take this one slow.
Oh, now he got it.
That was our fish.
Roll it a little.
No.
Where'd he go?
Oh. Come on.
So this had to be the funniest flop of the day. My daughter is fighting with a fish, and lo and behold, the whole reel comes off the line. It was one of those covered reels, a Zebco fishing pole, and it just literally came apart while she was trying to reel in the fish.
He's still there?
Which way? Wait. Can you show me one more time?
This is bringing it in.
No, this is to bring it in.
Rolling it out.
Like this?
Yeah. The string rolls in. If you look at your strings, it rolls in. If you go this way, it goes out.
Bro, that scared me. Like,
Now you gotta.
huh? Oh, yes. My phone.
I'm getting Bass Pro tournament on the Facebook too.
Where's the...
I don't mean to brag and post, but I'm basically the fighter.
I'm telling you, this was just a day of bloops and blunders.
And to release this one, so you hold it, right? Pull it back, and then when you're ready to let go, like a trigger. this way. This way. You're grabbing it from here and then you bring it in your boat. There it goes.
So you hold the trigger when you're about to throw it, and then you release it as you're throwing it.
Yeah, as soon as you're ready to release, basically you're holding the trigger, you're here, and then when it's right here, there we go. And the weight does all that stuff. You roll it in. You go this way, you have to go this way. But it's easier for you to turn it. Are you left-handed or right-handed? Yeah, that's better. See? Now, if you're left-handed, that'd be better for you. This is right-handed, so you turn it.
Wow, she missed all of that. What? Dang, why did you keep saying them? No, don't like this.
You have to go like this when you first do it. Not so fast. You took it? Took it and jammed. Too hard.
No.
They took everything.
Dang, he was big. Bring it over here.
Wow, he took the
He
whole
took
thing.
everything.
Wow.
The weight and everything. Dang, he was hungry. Come over here, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Well, he's
Broke
gonna be
the
dead
line.
because he's gonna eat it. Wow.
Kill the fish right now.
He broke the whole line.
Wow.
As you can see, we did get skunked today, but that won't stop us. We will be back because now we have a score to settle with these fish.